Today I've got something interesting. Actually, these two packages are from Malaysia. Let's grab the scissors. I've been doing some custom cars, several in fact, but I've wanted to actually get some wheels, so some custom wheels. And that's what these are. You can see here the pack of different wheels. That's the first one. And this is the second one. So let's swap out some wheels and check them out. Various different wheel sets, and I bought these off eBay, and they're actually from Malaysia. Okay, so the first car that I'm going to swap out today with these wheels is this one. It's a 180SX that I recently customed, so I spray painted it like a purple, a metallic purple color. Looks pretty cool. Check it out from the back here. You can see the wheels, they kind of, this is what came standard with the Hot Wheels, the little 180SX, these cookie cutter golden wheels. But I'm not too fond of those. Let's swap them out and see some different styles. Alright, so I've got the wheels off now. Okay, so I've decided to go with these black Michelin NKs. So I was the winning bidder on eBay for these NKs. And I got more than I actually bid on more than 100 sets of wheels so I can change out and custom lots of cars. All right, clicking it all back in now. And that looks awesome. It looks like a proper JDM. It doesn't even look like a Hot Wheels anymore. It looks like some kind of custom Tomica, actually. That's it from the side. Honestly, that is the perfect set for this car. I might just try a couple more before I glue it all together and make it permanent. Alright, so the next set is a hot pink, well they're black with a pink outline white wall commold. That's pretty cool, that. I like how it matches the rear tail lights. Very nice. And after some fiddling around with a couple of sets, I think I found the perfect one. These wheels actually, I'll just show you one of these here. And they come with separate axles, pretty much just plug and play. So look, they're not already plugged in, but it's not hard to get them on. But what I like about them, they do roll. They don't roll as well, but the tires, if you have a look at the tire, I'll just show you the tire again. There's a lot more detail on the tires. It's got tread, so it's kind of cool. A bit more detailed on the rim as well. Alright, so actually, as a model, I think that is the perfect set. I'm going to glue these on, I think. Or maybe I just have a little bit more of a play. And that's the great thing with these Hot Wheels. I've decided to custom the Hot Wheels rather than the Tomica because the Hot Wheels are, just so much cheaper. And, good fun customizing and modeling these cars. 180 SX drift car.